Hello, boys and girls. Today our story is called David Goes to School. David Goes to School by David Shannon. David's teacher always said, "No, David! No yelling, no pushing, no running in the halls. David, you're tardy." "Sit down, David." "Don't chew gum in class." "David, raise your hand." "Keep your hands to yourself." "Pay attention." "Wait your turn, David." "I don't care who started it." "David, recess is over." "Shh!" "Again?" "That's it, mister. You're staying after school." "David, have you finished?" "Good job, David." "Yes, David, you can go home now." The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed our story about David. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.